got out the 2007 Cannondale F7. 26-inch. Mechanical disc brakes. All the original stuff on it, like 100%. It's even got the sticker on the handlebars still with the warning. Another one oh wait, hey, cut back. I changed this out. I don't remember why. Changed the seat, put a bag on it. Bought it with that pump. I did put those pedals on. And I did change out one of the wheels because the front hub was toast. Crap, I changed a bunch of stuff out, never mind. Anywho, I bought this one for my cat. That's why the carbon fiber bar on the front is a stop back to put his bag, we'll call it, on the front, D-rods in.